my little upgrade on the car this time was to take out the standard side lights and replace them with some turn signal intakes from Moss, which I saw these things online and I just thought they were so beautiful and so cool because they look amazing, but they also, because they're air intakes as well as turn signals and side lights, you can get more air into the engine bay, which is great. So not only are they beautiful, they're really functional as well, which I love that balance. That's great. So although it was a small upgrade, it was a very important one, and actually I think it really changes the look of the front of the car. Anything that can get rid of that kind of grinning, goofy facade on the MX5, I'm all up for. I want this car to look meaner, and that certainly helps. So I'm really pleased with it. I know Jimmy's going to take the mick out of me for only doing such a small upgrade, but it is an upgrade. And now I'm back from LA, and I'm sort of over this illness. I will be getting back on with it. Next job is to replace all the bushes on the car, which is going to be super fun. I'm really looking forward to that. And then also change the suspension. It's got coilovers on it at the moment. Coilovers going back on it, but they're newer ones, they're better ones, so I'll be doing that. Not sure what order yet, it depends who I can rope in to help me. So they're the next two things on the agenda. Also, I did actually put a grill on the front of the car, filmed it and lost the footage. So I'll put some pictures on, but there is a grill on there now because there wasn't one on there before, and because I'd put a nice new radiator in there, it seemed silly not to have a grill, and I got a really nice one for Christmas from IL Motorsport, which is really pretty. So that's in there as well. So turn signal intakes are on, my little upgrade for the minute, and I'll be back with some more build info soon.